Did you put a sea engine in there?
I don't know. What do you think?
Holy!
Oh my god.
I think it's on fire.
There it goes. Whoa.
Well, I don't think you have to run for this one.
Well, the B engines I think we'll just throw away, huh? The C's definitely work a lot better.
Where is it? Oh. You gonna try to catch it, Kate? Boy, that was good.
I can't see.
What if you took